Relax ata. Everybody, close your eyes if you can. And then, relax all your shoulders and neck. Let's breathe. Everybody, inhale. Hold your breath. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Releasing na sa baba. So as you've noticed, dali kayo ang relaxation. Lami ni siya after matulog. Anyway, on the second set, let's begin. Inhale. Hold your breath. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release hinay. And of course, para nabatay kabilin ilakaw, let's get active gamay. So everybody, longer this time ha. Patasan na yung taghangin. Okay, everybody, inhale. Hold your breath. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. Puka! Thank you so much and good morning, Magsaysay! Let's have photo opportunity bit. Dali, kay Bobo kayo matanawan. Dali. Picture na ma'am, attendance! Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Okay, picture sa. Huwag mo sa-turn. Katong magdali, pa-picture sa. May pa-picture sa ta, isa to'y hilig kayo siya magpa-picture. Pwede mo diya sa baba lang. Thank you much, sa-turn ka Ma'am Susan. Sa Merkulis, Kumoplas, ka Ma'am Tata. Okay, yung mga gamit, isa to yung mga tumbler na habilin taon, mauwi mo, kuhaan na ninyo ni Aqua Opening Pangkape. Thank you Ma'am Pilis, thank you sa lahat.